Don't be afraid to shoot your shot. That's what I would say. Don't be afraid to shoot your shot. I think a lot of people, just in general, are afraid of going after their dreams because they feel like they're not worthy, they're not capable. But I've been fortunate enough to have mentors that actually tell me that, if you want something, work for it. And the worst that could happen is someone can say no. I mean, we have all of these platforms, social media, the world. Literally, I can access anyone from anywhere in the world through my cellular device. And the type of world that we are living in today, in as much as it's exclusive, I'd also like to believe it's inclusive because, like I said, most of the women that I've even met through, like even you yourself, Lucas, I knew about you through LinkedIn and all of those things. So if we are not afraid to actually shoot your shot and just reach out, obviously it's not going to be everyone who's going to be responding to you, but I know for a fact that there definitely will be someone willing to respond to you and take you along the journey and give you advice. And don't be afraid to just expose yourself as well. The least, or rather the worst that could happen is you can fail, but even in failing, you keep on learning and you just keep on growing from there.